In this video, we'll show you how to create a new custom report from scratch in Sugar Discover. Let's say I want to look at my CRM data today and understand how much revenue, specifically the likely amount, I've generated over the past 6 months from closed-won deals grouped by industry. I'll start by opening a blank report. To do this, click the Create button and, for our scenario, select Opportunities. Next, you'll need to choose how you want the data to be displayed. The visualization type also determines which shelves are available in the Query Layout panel. For now, in the Visualizations panel, I'll select the Stacked Column Chart. As mentioned, I want to see what I've generated in the past 6 months from today. So I need to focus on the data as it exists right now. That means I want to use the snapshot date that equals today. This filter is automatically applied to every new report, and it simply tells Discover, show me what the data looks like today. Now I'll move on to choosing my fields. The data type of a field determines the filtering and aggregation options available for that field. I'm going to use expected close date as my x-axis. I'll choose to group the date by year and month, then drag those elements onto the x-axis shelf. Alternatively, you can click a field name in the Fields list and choose one of the Move To options from the drop-down menu to send it to the appropriate shelf. Next, I'll use the likely value as my metric on the y-axis, and I'll use industry as my color stack. This determines how the bars are broken out by color. Click Apply Changes. The formatting panel is located on the left side of the screen. You can open it by clicking the paint roller icon. Here, you can manage the visibility of different report elements, including the legend and legend title panels along the right side of the visualization. You can also enable the Filter By panel, which displays currently applied filters, or the Runtime Filters panel, which shows any applied runtime filters. You'll notice that industry appears on the color stack shelf, and the legend now displays different colors corresponding to each industry. Since I want to see only closed-won deals from the past 6 months, I'll now apply additional filters. First, I'll filter on expected close date. I'll select the option to show deals closed in the last 6 months, from today. Since this is a demo instance, I'll use the creation date of the instance instead. Click Apply, then Apply Changes. Now I'm only seeing data for opportunities with expected close dates within the last 6 months. Since I'm anchored in July, that includes June, May, April, and so on. Next, I want to filter for opportunities that were marked as closed-won. I'll search for the Sales Stage field, add it as a filter, select Only Closed-Won, and click Apply. At this point, I'm looking at opportunities with expected close dates in the past 6 months that are marked as closed-won, grouped by industry. Once your report is ready, you'll want to save it. Click Save from the drop-down menu and enter a name for your report. All configurations, such as filters, slicer selections, formatting, and query layout, are saved when you save the report. If you'd like to save the report with an initial version, you can add a description in the Version Summary text box. If no version summary is provided, the report is saved without adding a version to the Version History section. You'll also notice an open circle indicator on your Report tab. And that's how you create a new custom report in Sugar Discover. Thanks for watching.